G'day, it's Rowan from Elfshot Design. This month's video is going to be a little bit shorter than usual because it's a follow-on from last month where I built a portable gas forge. Now if you're going to heat up a piece of iron, you need something solid to whack it on. Something that's got a lot of mass so the striking force goes through to the job and also reduce some of the noise. I've got a big lump of mild steel that I found that I'm going to use as a temporary anvil. That'll do me until I can afford to buy a real anvil. Let's go and make a stand for it. Just a warning before we get started. Since I've been making one video a month this year, in 2019, this one would have to be the most boring of all. Throw me a thumbs up if you agree, and thanks for making it this far. I'm using 60mm angle iron for the base and 90mm square hollow section for the post. Both are 6mm thick, which is just shy of 1/4 inch. Definitely overkill for strength, but it'll give me the weight I'm after. I'm using the same angle iron for the platform, and I'll make a hardy hole jig that I can weld to the end of the platform. The lump of steel already has a hole going through it, so I'll use this to my advantage for securing the anvil onto the platform. I don't want to have to try and weld into the steel, it's too thick. To reduce vibrations and maximise mass, I fill the hollow section with concrete. The anvil doesn't actually sit on this directly, so it's really just a case of filling the hollow void and adding maximum weight. Sand would also work, but concrete's heavier. Not everybody will be able to find a big chunk of steel like I did. This way it's just under 40 kilos. You might be able to find an offcut at the back of a steel supply yard, maybe even a shipping yard or a graveyard for heavy machinery. I calculated the height of the striking surface by bending my leg slightly and measuring from the ground to the bottom of my clenched fist. Basically, when the hammer lands, I want the face of the hammer to be as square as possible to the workpiece. If I get a real anvil one day, I'll probably make a new stand and possibly lower this one to use it as a striking anvil. Blacksmithing is not my primary activity in the workshop. I'll use it to augment other things that I make. If you're getting into blacksmithing, you probably already know that anvils are hard to find and very expensive. For most of what I do, I just need a solid striking surface, and I can build jigs for most of the things I need. There are so many things you can do without specialist gear, if you just apply a little bit of creativity. Sure, I'd love a real anvil, and I hope to get one day. But I'm not going to rush out and buy one straight away. That'll also give me time to decide how much blacksmith work I actually end up doing. Here's a couple of shots to finish the film. If you made it this far, and you want to help other people find my videos, please subscribe, like or comment. I promise I'll try to make the next one more interesting. See ya.